home. We got a bootleg recording from the Village Vanguard, and Dizzy Gillespie came, and Charlie Parker came, and Thelonious Monk came. That's what you're seeing tonight. This is one of those nights that if somebody's recording this, it's historical. It should be in Washington in a vault. Historical.
Somebody say Phife, go! Somebody say Phife, go! Wait a minute, hold on. 1, 2, Shaheed, what? Come on.